Hello there! If you've been wondering what the big deal about these pixel art activities, what are these pixel art activities, and why is everybody all about these pixel art math activities, this video is for you. If we don't already know each other, my name is Kathy Martin and I'm the creator of the Pre-Algebra Teachers Middle School Math Membership. We are your one-stop shop for everything you need to teach middle school math. Today, I want to share with you why you should be incorporating pixel math activities into your classroom because they have been a huge hit, and I promise you, you will have super engaged in students. So let's talk about what the heck are pixel math activities. How are we going to go from this just kind of blank Google sheet to this awesome image without you doing any grading and really much anything at all? Now, if you are a member of the Pre-Algebra Teachers Math Membership, you already have access to this activity. Really quickly, you're going to be able, when you log in, you are going to scroll all the way down past our 6th and 7th grade activities, past our 8th grade activities, past our early finishers stuff, past our extras, and into the bonus digital library. In this area, you will see it's going to take you right into our 6th and 7th grade activities. You're going to scroll past our digital task cards, past our mix and match activities, and the pixel math activities are right here. Right now, inside the membership, we have 10 6th and 7th grade pixel math activities. We have 2 8th grade activities, and I'm about to upload more. If you are not a member, and so the activity that I'm about to show you is this fractions, decimals, and percents pixel math activity. If you are not a member, you will be able to download this exact activity absolutely free using the link in the description box or click the button below depending on how you're watching this video. If you would like to grab more pixel math activities, please come and join us inside of our membership. We would love to have you. Okay, so how the heck does this pixel math activity work? And what's the big deal? And what do you mean I don't have to grade anything? Okay, let me show you. So it's going to come in a Google Sheet. And if you don't use Google, if you're not a Google Classroom person, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to use this if you need the Excel version, but I'm going to show you that in just a second. I want to show you the activity first. Okay, so you can see here, the first question in this activity says, write the fraction 3/4 as a decimal. So 3/4 as a decimal is 0.75. Okay, so I'm going to click enter, and you can see this blue bar has come up. That's how I know I got it right. If it is correct, something will pop up on the screen. Okay, so let's try this again. Write the decimal 0.56 as a percent. So it's going to be 56%. Bam, something else happened. This black bar came up. 78%, write that as a decimal, so 0.78. Okay, more came up. I'm just going to jump down just so you can kind of see. Write the decimal 0.18 as a percent, so it's going to be 18%. Okay, bam, more came up. Now, what happens if I get it wrong? Okay, so this question says write the fraction 9/10 as a decimal. So let's just say I accidentally typed in 0.8. Do you see that? Nothing happened, right? Okay, so let's fix that answer, 0.9. Okay, something else happened. So you can see here, when you get it right, something happens on the screen. An image is going to be building itself. And right now it's a little hard to tell. Like I can't tell. It could be, I have no idea what this could be at this point. So your students are going to have to go through the whole thing to get to their final image, which is this super cute Among Us character. If you don't know what Among Us is, ask your students. It's the hottest new game right now, and they'll tell you all about it. It's a little bit Valentine's Day themed with this little heart, but I didn't want to make it too Valentine's Day because I know better than to mess with middle school hormones on Valentine's Day. Am I right? Yeah. So it's a little bit Valentine's Day theme with the heart, but it's not too in your face. When you share this activity with your students, please make a secondary copy so that you can get rid of this tab with the answer key, because you probably don't want to give your students the answer key, right? I mean, maybe you do, but I wouldn't. It takes the fun out of it. Like you want them to kind of be confused as to what the image is. You want them to keep going to figure it out. And I promise you, they will be super, super engaged. Okay, if you don't use Google Classroom and you're like, dang it, like, is this only for Google Classroom? Because like I use Canvas or Blackboard or whatever, and like I need something, from Microsoft. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna come up to the file button, and you're gonna go to download, and you're going to download this as a Microsoft Excel. When you download this as a Microsoft Excel, it's going to work the same exact way. Your students will be able to punch in their answers, a color will show up, and they will eventually, if they get it all right, get to this final image. Again, if you already are a member of the Pre-Algebra Teachers Math membership, this activity, along with a bunch more, is already available to you inside of the membership. If you are not a member and you would like to grab this activity, use the link above or below this video, depending on how you're watching it, and you can download this for absolutely free. If you love this activity and you're like, dang, this is awesome sauce, because it is, and you want more, please feel free to come join us inside of the Pre-Algebra Teachers Math membership. My name is Kathy Martin, and I'm here to support you in any way that I can. Can't wait to see you next time, and I cannot wait to see you inside of our membership. Talk to you soon. Bye.